Here is this is part 2 of the ATX mini, the small ATX power supply made by Delta, the DPS-250AP-24C. This is how I assembled the 40 ampere diode block. This is the main one that should be connected, and this has been linked to this one in parallel. This is how I link it. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now I will install it and hope for the best and hope it will work. Here's the look. All the PCB board has been assembled. All of the component has been repopulated and resoldered. The PCB has been cleaned up. It was like gunk on the surface of the PCB. Now I'm going to apply power and see what happens. This is a thermal heat sensor, and it will be mounted over here from the other side through this screw hole, and what should I say? This is a hell of a PCB. This is a very intelligent and a very good circuit board PCB. I'll place this IC. This is the ISP 802. Okay. Let's power up and see what happens. Has been connected. Here's the starting voltage, usually the purple one. Here's the exact 5V starting voltage. Good. Now we are going to start this ATX power supply by controlling the switch, bridging the switch to ground, as so. After bridging the switch, the fan is working, and let's see the voltages. Here's the 12V, presumably 12V. Here we go. Here's the 12V. Here is presumably the 5V. Let's see if there is a 3.3 volts, which is the orange connections. Those. Voila. A little bit low, but it's obviously 3.2 3.1, 3.2. Nice. So I'm guessing this power supply is working now. I'm going to now install a 3 ampere, no, not 3 ampere, 6.3 amperes fuse instead of the electronic one that it was blown, and install it in the cabinet and hook some load on it. Let me hook some load on it before I install it. I'm going to use as a load this bulb, which is a 12 volt motorcycle lamp. This is a really big load, about 5 amperes. Let's see. Here's the 5 volt rail. Wow. Here's a 12 volt rail. Wow. Good. So I'm guessing this power supply is working fine. I'm going to trim the bridge diode leads, install the heatsink, isolation pads. Those are here and here. By the way, I forgot to mention that I replaced the heatsink isolation pads. Those the one who were inside of the ATX power supply, because they dry out. They're like dry leaves or a piece of they're so dried out, very dried out. Junk. Inside of the unit, after it got assembled, here's the inside. Here's the power circuit has the power unit has been assembled, totally assembled. All screws has been put together. We hook it up to the power supply, to the main line. Here's the main 5 volts. Okay, I'm going to switch the main power supply on and read the voltage. After switching the on, let's read the 5 volts. Here's the 5 volts. And here's the 12. Here's the 3.3. And here we go. Here's the entire ATX power supply. This model was DPS-250AP-24C. Thank you for watching. See you next time.